All right, this is today, Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025. This is today's trade recap. Today I took one trade. It was a break even, and then I was looking at a second trade that was super A plus, but it was invalidated. And we'll just get right into it. So overnight, let's see if this loads. All right, overnight. So going in the market open, I was definitely bullish because if you look at this power 3 candle, no wick on the top. So I like it's just like for a daily candle, it's rare that you don't see a wick. So I'm looking for us to expand higher. And you know, I mean, yeah. And then we have London highs, Asia highs, unfilled 4 hour, new day opening gap, previous day high, with lots of just draws to run to. And the one thing that was weird about market open was that this unfilled 4 hour, we just trade right like to it, like a tick away from it, and then don't trade into it. So I don't know. I kind of wanted to see at market open us trade down into that and then maybe at longs, but we did not. As you can see, just traded straight up, and then we had to wait for 10 a.m. today because Powell was speaking. So come over to there and we get that news. We get the data high, the data low. And it's just chop pretty much all morning. So yeah, now it's 11. There wasn't anything that I wanted to or could have taken. So I just sat on the sidelines. I said, I'll look at PM. Not going to look at AM because it's not in my model or my rules. And that's what I did. We'll go to PM. So over lunch, let me see. Over lunch, traded down into this hourly fair value gap. Sorry if it's hard to see. There. Trading this hourly fair value gap. And this is just like a big area for me to see a reversal. Like, yes, tapped into the 4 hour, so we technically had an SMT with it. So I wasn't really looking for us to trade that low. But look, like we tap into a unfilled hourly, take out data lows, this internal low. We're in OT of the high time frame range. So coming into here, we trade up, and now we're trading into a 5 minute fair value gap. We go. Where is it? There. We tap into this 5 minute fair value gap. So this to me is really where I want to see a reversal and for us to trade higher. And that's pretty much exactly what we do end up getting. So we get a 1 minute fair value gap, and 3 p.m. opened over on this candle. And I saw like what I really like for power of 3 moves with hourly candles is like open low, open high, close, that kind of thing, right? And I need to see us tap into like a fair value gap for me to consider that a reversal. So tapping into this 5 minute and getting an SMT, which I'll show. So we have an SMT at that of those lows, is really high confidence for a reversal for me. So I'm assuming this is going to be our smart money reversal. Sorry. This is going to be our smart money reversal, and we're going to trade up to preferably this buy side, but probably just, this closer buy side, right? Like, all I really want to see for this, like, price is fractal. So completing the buy model could just be this buy side liquidity, and then we could reverse once again. So I wait for that inversion, we get it there, and I enter. My enter, obviously, this is where my actual executions were, so the slippage was a bit different. But yeah, so we have an unfilled 5, which is what I'm targeting and going to go break even at. It's a tick. It's like the tiniest 5 you see right there, right? The tiniest 5, but I still count it just because it is a 5. I'm going to count it. And yeah, like in my opinion, for a day like today, perfect smart money reversal, market maker buy model beginning with a 1 minute inversion, and it's valid because we didn't top the 5, we didn't take out the internal high. So, trade through this. Oops. And right around here is where I saw that we have an SMT with the 5 on ES. So if I go look there, it's like 1243. We took that high. 1243. We didn't. So I went break even, and then I did get break even right around here. If I were to have held until the 5, we would have pumped right up and hit TP. So why is it not taking me out? I don't know. Whatever. It was super obvious buy model, right? Like if the SMT wasn't there, perfect. But on a day like today, especially like with Trump tentatively speaking, I'm going to play it safer and break even at that SMT, regardless of how confident I am. So we play out the rest of PM as generating, and right here, unless we have a massive SMT with these highs, these AM highs. And this to me, like having a high time frame SMT as well as us getting okay, yeah, as well as us getting this low, like, so we have an external SMT and an internal SMT. As you can see, 1242 or 442 and 442. So this is just, another classic McModel short, looking for a reversal to take out this sell side. So another smart money reversal, obviously. Super obvious. I forgot to mention this is also 3 p.m. open. 3 p.m. open on this candle right here. We open high and make an SMT on the open high. That's super high confidence for me. So I was like, this is definitely going to work. Obviously, I couldn't have taken this on my eval because I only take 1 trade a day. So I was kind of just going to either paper trade it or not take it at all. And the highest time frame was the 2-minute. Thing is, though, we tapped the 15 before inversing, so it invalidated it, meaning I couldn't take it, right? But the draw is still correct, and we did end up trading through all the way down to the sell side and probably farther below. I don't know. But yeah, overall, super obvious day in terms of just drawing liquidity. AM was not the greatest, but it's set up perfectly for PM, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless.